Guys, something big is about to go down. I'll be receiving an armored Mewtwo. Excited na ako, guys. Samahan niyo. Hey guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa BGC. Dito tayo magpo-fossil research day. Sinasamahan ko si Mrs. sa family day nila, family day event ng ENZ. Aside from Tyrant and Amora, wild encounters niya is Ammonite, Kabuto, Lilip, Anorith, Cranidos, Shieldon, sometimes makakita rin ng Tortuga at saka Archen. Alright, samahan niyo ako. While doing the research, pinili kong magkabuto rin, di ba? Sayang eh. Malay mo, shiny. Di shiny. Tingin ko hindi rin siya hando. Next. Subukan natin claim yung dalawang research. Tingnan natin kung nag-shine na. Okay, first Amora. Di siya shiny. Di rin siya hando, 96. Pwede na, kaso hindi ka shiny or hindi ka hando, wag na lang. Oy! Shiny Tyrant, first time. Nice! Off to a great start, me boy! Guys, I just got another shiny Tyrant, man. Look. Alright. I just got my third Tyrant, shiny. Jump in tayo sa Aerodactyl Rain.
Mega Aerodactyl. As per Pokebattler, Mega Aerodactyl is weak to rock, steel, water, electric, and ice attacks. Alright, so paano mo tatalunin yan? Pwede kang gumamit ng Crown Shield Zamazenta, Crown Sword Zacian, Duskmane Necrozma, Primal Kyogre, White Kyurem, Shadow Metagross, and the likes.
Aerodactyl caught.
Shiny Showcase!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Totoo, natapos ko na yung 151 types of Pokemon na makikita mo sa kanto. Hindi sa kanto niya, sa kanto region. Okay? 151 Pokemon seen, 151 Pokemon caught. Pero hindi naman talaga yun yung pinunta nyo dito. Diba? Aminin mo, ang pinunta nyo dito, si Armored Mewtwo. Pero bago yan, baka kasi sabihin nyo, Jex, nakalimutan mo, merong Gigantamax Butterfree. Ako makakalimot. Joke lang. Hindi ko nakalimutan yung Gigantamax Butterfree. In fact, makikita nyo siya dito sa kanan. Ayun. Okay? When it comes to the counters, hindi ko na ibibigay yung tipong galing pa sa Pokebattler. For Gigantamax Butterfree, ang ginamit ko is Crowned Shield Zamazenta, Blissey, so those are my two tanks, and also Charizard. Jex, bakit si Gigantamax Charizard yung ginamit mo? Bakit hindi si Gigantamax Cinderace? Eh si Gigantamax Cinderace yung number 1 attacker when it comes to fire. Bakit? Okay? Okay rin naman si Charizard. Saka bias ako, Gen 1 baby! Pro tip, gawin nyo 2 tanks saka isang attacker. Slash Ketchup, hando ba talaga yung nakuha mo? Nakahando ako, pero hindi yung hando na inaasahan nyo. Okay? Explain ko. Mewtwo, makikita nyo sa screen. It is a lucky, still a big deal, alright? What I have is a decent IV Pokemon. Meron na tayong bottle cap. Okay, if I wanted this or if I want this to be Hundo in the future, it's going to be easy. Ang Hundo na nakuha ko ay si Amora. Right? Part siya ng Fossil Research Day. And here it is.
Perfect!
Boom! Mga kapatid, salamat ulit sa pagsama. Next week ulit, kita-kita tayo.
Ha ha ha.